Now I request Dr. Pracheesh Prakash, is the CEO of the hospital, uh, to say a few words and vote of thanks to all the participants, pharmaceutical colleagues.
Thank you, Dr. Suresh. I think it has been a wonderful day, and as expected, the day has been attended by well-deserving faculty from neurosciences. I'm I'm here very. It's a very proud moment for me to tell all of you that there has been a lot of good work that all of us have been doing in the last 2.5 years. The team that has been built up at Eternal Hospital has been built up under the leadership of Dr. Suresh Gupta as the chairman of neurosciences, and Dr. Sushil Tapadia, who is the chairman for neurosurgery. The team has been built up, it has been handpicked by Dr. Suresh, and the team is clearly deserving a lot of applause from us. I think it is very, very apt to say that for the kind of work that the team deserves, for the kind of recognition that the team deserves, all of you are here. And for every bit that the team has done, it did require to put on stage what all things they have done, what are we up to. Thank you all for being here. You all have come here, and that's a great, great encouragement for the team. It is also a hallmark that we stand for each other. If there is a good work that is happening, that good work is happening for all of us. We stand for each other, we encourage each other. Thank you all for being here. The residents have been here, the faculty has been there, there are senior people who have been here. So thank you so much. And I look forward to all of you encouraging the team as always. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Pracheesh, for your kind words. And I take the opportunity to thank each one of you, all eminent speakers, my colleagues, Dr. Sushil Tapadia, Dr. Yashpal Rathod, Dr. Surinder Khosia, Dr. Tarachand Joshi, Dr. Arun Agarwal, Dr. Madan Mohan Gupta, and our very energetic marketing team under the leadership of Mr. Nitesh Tiwari, other supporting agencies, and pharma colleagues, Micropharma, Intas, Sun, Abbott, and all other pharma colleagues. Though without their help, this event could not have been taken place. So please give them a big round of applause. Yes. And now I request all of you to please stay back for gala dinner. Thank you so much.